Ever feel like airports are designed to drain your wallet with hidden fees and endless hassle? You're not the only one. Airlines hate it when travelers outsmart the system. These genius luggage hacks aren't about breaking rules. They're about staying one step ahead, avoiding extra charges, and keeping your bag safe while you travel smarter today. 10. Track your bag yourself. Losing your luggage is one of the most stressful parts of traveling. Bags can disappear for hours or even days while airports sort through thousands of checked items. That's where a smart tracker like an Apple AirTag, Tile, or another GPS-enabled device becomes a total game changer. By slipping one inside your suitcase, you get live location updates right on your phone. In many cases, you'll know where your bag is before the airport even announces it on the baggage carousel. For example, imagine you've just landed. As you grab your phone, you receive a notification. Your bag is already on its way, just 10 minutes from arrival. No more pacing, no more guessing if it's lost, and no frantic calls to airport staff. Some travelers worry about privacy, but these trackers are designed with encryption. Only you can see your bag's location, and the data isn't shared with third parties. So you stay connected without compromising security. Wouldn't you sleep better knowing exactly where your suitcase is even before the airline tells you? Tracking your luggage yourself isn't about cheating the system. It's about staying calm, informed, and in control. 9. Photograph your suitcase. A simple habit like photographing your suitcase and its contents before check-in can save you a lot of stress later. If your bag goes missing, gets stolen, or is mishandled, having clear pictures gives airport staff the proof they need to track it down and reunite it with you faster. For example, some airports ask passengers to send photos of their missing bag to help identify it among hundreds in storage. A distinct pattern, tag, or sticker can make all the difference. Similarly, if your bag gets damaged during transit, photos of its condition and packed items make insurance claims quicker and easier, proving exactly what was inside and how it was packed. Plus, having a record of your items helps you stay organized. You'll know exactly what you packed, what's missing, and what to repurchase. Ever lost something in transit? How useful would this simple habit be when you need proof instantly? A few seconds of clicking can turn into hours or days of hassle avoided. 8. 2 layers of ID. Most travelers rely on the tag attached to the outside of their luggage. But what happens if it tears off, gets smudged, or simply falls off during transit? Unfortunately, this happens more than you think. Baggage handlers throw, stack, and shuffle bags constantly, making it easy for tags to disappear. That's why keeping a second copy of your contact information, like your name, phone number, itinerary, or hotel address, inside the suitcase is a smart move. If your bag's outer tag is gone, airport staff can still open the bag and find details needed to contact you and return it quickly. For instance, a traveler once had their tag ripped off during baggage handling. Luckily, the airline found the duplicate info inside the bag's lining and reunited it with the owner within hours. Many airlines actually recommend this practice, but most passengers overlook it, assuming one tag is enough. What if a tiny tag failure could leave you stranded without your belongings? Wouldn't a backup plan give you peace of mind before you even board the plane? 7. Digital bag tags. Airports around the world are moving towards smarter baggage handling with RFID or electronic bag tags. Unlike traditional paper tags that can tear, smudge, or be misread, these digital tags use radio frequency identification to automatically scan and track your luggage throughout its journey. This reduces human error and speeds up processing, helping your bag get to where it's supposed to go without unnecessary delays. Many airlines now offer smartphone apps that pair with digital tags, allowing travelers to monitor their bag in real time from check-in to loading onto the aircraft and even arrival at the carousel. This means you no longer have to worry about lost bags or endless waiting. You can see exactly where your luggage is at any moment. For example, one traveler breezes through check-in with an electronic tag, while another waits in line for manual paperwork. The difference is clear. Digital tags make traveling smoother and more secure. If technology already tracks your flights and boarding passes, why shouldn't it track your luggage too? Wouldn't upgrading to smarter, real-time tracking make your airport experience far less stressful? 6. Pack smart with cubes. If you've ever struggled to fit everything in your suitcase or carry-on, packing cubes and compression bags are total game changers. These simple tools help organize and optimize space, turning chaotic packing into a stress-free experience. Packing cubes let you separate items by category: clothes in one, toiletries in another, gadgets in a third, so you can easily find what you need without digging through everything. This also makes unpacking faster when you reach your destination. Compression bags take it a step further by squeezing bulky items like jackets, sweaters, or extra bedding into a fraction of its original size. Best of all, they reduce wrinkles while maximizing space. Imagine packing 5 days worth of outfits into one small bag without worrying about overweight fees or messy piles. For example, a traveler heading out for a week-long trip easily slides neatly packed cubes into a carry-on, with room left for essentials. Ever struggled to fit everything into a weekend bag? Wouldn't packing smarter rather than stuffing more in make your trips lighter, easier, and way less stressful? 5. Weigh luggage at home. Airlines often make a surprising amount of money from overweight baggage fees, catching travelers off guard at check-in. Many passengers only realize that their bags are too heavy when they step onto the scale at the airport, and by then it's too late. That's where portable luggage scales come in. These small, affordable gadgets let you weigh your bags at home before you leave. With one quick check, you can avoid last-minute repacking or paying hefty fees that could cost you hundreds of dollars. For example, a traveler preparing for a 2-week trip checks their suitcase weight the night before and discovers it's 5 kilograms over the limit. Instead of scrambling at the airport, they shift heavier items into their carry-on, saving both time and money. Some scales even connect to smartphone apps, letting you track exact weights with precision. It's a simple step, but one that keeps your budget and your sanity in check. Wouldn't you want to avoid surprise fees and stress by checking your bag's weight before it's too late? A little preparation can save a lot at the airport. 4. Roll, don't fold. Most travelers fold their clothes out of habit, but rolling them can actually save space and keep outfits wrinkle-free. Rolling creates compact, layered bundles that compress naturally inside your suitcase, allowing you to pack more without creating messy piles. For example, a traveler packing for a week's trip manages to fit 10 outfits, shoes, and accessories into a carry-on, all by rolling clothes instead of folding them. The rolling method not only helps maximize space, but keeps garments from shifting and wrinkling during transit. This technique works even better with paired or packing cubes. You can roll clothes by category: shirts in one cube, pants in another, making unpacking at your destination faster and more organized. Some travelers say that they gain up to 30% more space with this method compared to traditional folding. It's a simple change with big benefits, especially for weekend getaways or trips where you want to travel light. Did you know that rolling your clothes could fit an entire week's wardrobe into one weekend bag? Why not give it a try on your next trip? 3. Dress in layers for check-in. Many travelers don't realize what they wear to the airport can save them from overweight baggage fees. Airlines calculate charges based on the weight of your checked luggage, not what you're wearing. By dressing in layers like bulky jackets, boots, sweaters, and scarves, you can shift some of that weight onto yourself. For instance, a traveler heading out for a week-long trip wears a heavy coat, boots, and multiple layers under a jacket during check-in. Once they board, they easily remove the layers, fold them, and stow them in the overhead bin, keeping their carry-on light and avoiding extra fees. This trick is especially useful for winter trips or when traveling with gear that tends to be heavy, like hiking boots or thermal wear. It's a subtle way to carry extra items without drawing attention at the baggage counter. Pair this method with other packing hacks like cubes and compression bags, and you'll be surprised at how much more you can pack without paying more. Wouldn't you want to turn your outfit into extra luggage space at check-in and breeze past overweight fees? 2. Choose lightweight luggage. Have you ever struggled to fit everything you need into your suitcase only to be stopped by strict weight limits? Heavy luggage might be the hidden reason. Many old or cheap suitcases weigh 4 to 5 kilograms even before you pack anything, leaving less room for essentials like clothes, gadgets, or souvenirs. Investing in lightweight luggage made from durable materials like polycarbonate, carbon fiber, or aluminum alloys can make a huge difference. These modern suitcases weigh significantly less while offering stronger protection for your belongings. For example, a traveler using a sleek polycarbonate carry-on can pack tech devices, clothing, and gifts for family, all within the airline's weight allowance. Meanwhile, someone with a heavier bag struggles to fit in necessities and may face extra fees. Lightweight luggage also makes it easier to carry your bag through busy airports, crowded streets, or uneven terrain without strain. If you could save even 3 kilograms by choosing lighter luggage, how much more could you pack for your next adventure? Wouldn't a smarter suitcase give you more freedom and peace of mind while traveling? 1. Pre-book baggage online. Did you know that paying for your checked luggage in advance can save you a lot of money? Many airlines offer discounts of up to 30 to 40% when you pre-book baggage online while making your flight reservation, compared to paying at the airport. By adding luggage during booking, travelers not only save money but also enjoy a smoother airport experience. Online payments help avoid long lines, last-minute stress, and unexpected charges. Some airlines even offer waived fees or lower rates exclusively for passengers who prepay. For example, a traveler booking a round-trip ticket can save around $50 by purchasing their baggage allowance at the checkout instead of at the airport counter. It's a simple habit that adds up, especially for frequent flyers. Wouldn't you prefer saving money and breezing through check-in rather than scrambling to pay extra at the last minute? Planning ahead could be the smartest move you make before traveling. These 10 luggage hacks, from tracking your bag to packing smarter, help you avoid surprise fees, lost luggage, and airport headaches. They're not tricks to break the rules, but tools that make you a more prepared and confident traveler. Airlines might dislike them because they reduce confusion and extra charges, but they're all about staying informed and in control. Traveling doesn't have to be stressful. It's about being one step ahead. Next time you pack, try 1 or 2 of these tips and experience the difference for yourself. So, which hack will you use to travel smarter?